Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the IaStorA.sys is experiencing very high disk usage while the system is idle. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video here, guys. First one is a DISM scan. So go ahead and copy that from the description of my video. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in. Hit enter to begin that scan. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy and paste the second command in my description. It's the system file checker utility. So go ahead and copy it, and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Give us a couple minutes to run. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and type in chkdsk space /r and then hit enter. So this is going to run a chkdsk utility. You will need to tap the Y key on your keyboard and hit enter to check the volume the next time the computer restarts. So go ahead and save and close out of any open programs and applications, and then proceed to restart your computer at this time. So you don't want to tap any keys on your keyboard. However, this will take some time to run, so I'm just going to tap a key to skip the disk check. But in your case, do not tap any keys. Just let it run to completion. It should not take very long, depending on your hard drive size. Of course, that'll have an impact, but generally speaking, it should not take too long. And that should hopefully be about it, and hopefully that has resolved your issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.